Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to use Visa gift card on Valorant. So firstly, open up Valorant or any Riot Games site to access any of their products. So when you're on their site here, the Riot Games, so if you want to use your gift card to make any purchases on like V points for Valorant or any other purchases on Riot, so what you simply have to do is just add something to your card. So just make a purchase and then get to this section here where you get to the payment session. So once you're filling all the other required information, so when you get to the payment section here, what you have to do is you have to simply choose credit card option, because credit card involves Visa and MasterCard. So since you have a Visa gift card, so you can use your credit card option and then plug in the details of your Visa gift card. So your Visa card details, just plug in those details, and the name you can mention as the issuer's name or whatever that's mentioned on your Visa gift card, whatever the cards type of card you're using. So just follow that, and then once you've done with that, you can fill in the other required information and simply hit on pay now. So that's how you can like process or use your Visa gift card on Valorant or on the Epic Games site. So that's pretty much it is. I hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.